Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. 20-month update on a 45-year-old guy getting 2,500 grafts who likes a short haircut. So this fellow with relatively fine hair looked like this before, and he likes a haircut shorter than mine.
Yeah.
He does some type of
Fade.
some type of work that requires him to have a short haircut. And so we did 2,500 grafts going up the middle, and you might say, well, he's still got some hair there in the middle. And he does, but those are on their last leg. He was going to be a class 5.
Yeah.
And so then here he is at a week and a month, and then I didn't hear from him like always, and then he just walked in. It's been about 2 months ago now, but we're getting around to making the videos. He just walked in unannounced, and he looked like this. This is pretty good.
Yeah, it is.
And I said, turn around, let's see the back of that head, and he again has, what is it, number 3 haircut, right?
I think shorter than that.
He's got a 2 or a 3 haircut.
Yeah, he has some type of fade. That's what I thought you were talking about before.
And it's hard to find that scar.
Yeah, you
and
can't
then
see it.
here's my thumb holding up the little hair that he's got, and that is a good scar.
Yeah.
And that's our average scar. We get 120 of those a year. So he'll probably need another one in the future. I think he's going to lose a little of that crown at some points. But here's a good example of a guy that likes a short haircut who can pull off strip surgery and look good as it grows in.
Yes.
If we can help you, give us a call. Thanks.